Yeah, so we get the question a lot about double and triple pane, and are triple pane more efficient than double pane? Do I need them? And those are great questions, and our project consultants, walk customers through that all the time. And the general answer is it is factually true that your triple pane windows are going to be 30% or so more efficient than your double pane windows. The question that we'll ask is, does the cost to upgrade from double pane to triple pane, do you get the value out of that in your energy bill? If you're only replacing windows and doors, you're gonna have to check that out, and it may not get the value out of it. So typically, what we're gonna do is have that conversation. Sometimes we're talking to somebody who is highly detail oriented. They're really trying to get a highly efficient house and squeeze every little ounce of efficiency out of it. That person is a great candidate for triple pane windows, great candidate for roof insulation, and all the stuff that's gonna make your home energy efficient. If you are looking to lower your energy bills, lower your energy bills by 30%, that might be a few $100s a year at best, whereas to upgrade to triple pane windows is gonna be a few $100s per unit. So depending on the situation, we might recommend triple pane or double pane. What we're gonna do is we're not gonna recommend triple pane if what you're telling us doesn't seem like it fits. And we're not gonna try to sell you something you don't necessarily need. Or if we are going to talk about triple pane, we're gonna explain, all right, here's the benefit. It's super highly efficient, about 30% more. You're buying this because this room is really cold or really hot and you wanna make a difference. Not necessarily, I'm gonna save $100 a month on my energy bill. So typically comfort comfort and preference is why we would recommend a triple pane window over a double pane window. You can mix and match the technology in your windows with really no visual change or minor visual change. So let's say, there's two scenarios. Let's say we spend a ton of time in our bedroom and it's the most uncomfortable room. And what you have the opportunity to do is upgrade to triple pane there, and that's gonna keep more of the heat in the winters, and it's gonna keep some of the sun's radiation out in the summers. So that's gonna create a more comfortable space for you to live in. And so that's one way they do it. Another way that I see folks change the technology is they can increase the sound transmission value. So it is more soundproof in this particular room. So maybe it's in the TV room, maybe it's in the baby's room, maybe it's in the bedroom. So you can definitely pick and choose what type of windows and what type of technology is going to work for you room by room, opening by opening. It's really a great strategy that our project consultants, after having that conversation with you, are going to recommend, and it's to make sure it's a good fit.